GM put out these new little seals to put on top here. This helps with debris not getting down into the injector hole, keeping it a little bit cleaner than before. Okay, with looking at those injectors and all the seals and dirt, I'm just going to bore scope each of the injector hole and just see how clean they are or how much I got to clean out. So looking right here, don't know why, but we got some shavings of some sort. See on that one, you have half of the actual material for the injector seal. I'm going to suck that out and not actually go into there, but there's a lot of debris, as you can see, that falls into these, and if they're not pretty clean when you put them in, you have that chance of scraping or cutting one of those injector seals. So because these are Teflon seals, Teflon is already a low efficient seal where it has the least amount of friction when it goes in. It's a really soft material. Greasing it up will attract dirt, of course, and possibly even cause a paste. On top of that, different greases will actually expand the seal, causing the seal to fail. So with these already being a little bit self-lubricated as you're forcing it down into the hole as a self-lubricant, there's no need for any sort of lubrication on these seals at all. Major thing that you need to prepare for is make sure those holes are clean, so vacuum up any debris, as well as probably just go through it with a little tiny metal brush and just get those walls nice and clean, just a tiny bit. Kind of get down in there. Yep. Yeah, so there's a bit.
Oh yeah. Let's look at another one on this side. Not terribly bad, but we could definitely recommend it while we're at it. The other thing I want to do, since you got the bore scope here, let's crank the motor over and look in that cylinder. Pop that valve open. Yeah. Drop the piston all the way to the bottom. Let's have a look at the cylinder wall.
Okay.
Because it's obviously been misfiring for a while, and we want to see if the cylinder wall got scored because of it. She loves the car. She was like, apparently somebody did something over here. Do we have the lid for that?
Yeah, it's in there.
Okay. Also, we're going to look at the top of the piston, see if we got ring wash on it. Okay, let's get down in there, and then we'll kind of move that around and look at the wall. Where you see this here, this is the top of the piston, but before I move the probe in,